up, guys? It's your girl Dainelle and I'm back with another video. Before I get started, please like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend. Follow me on all of my media, then I'll put it right to TikTok. Come again. Instagram. Snapchat. I'm not going to fear when I'm not link, I fear when I'm too much. Anyways, I don't know Sherry the CC. I'm back! Perfect clown. She stole my look. So we're going to do if you watch my video. Anyway. After no, we're not to know. Me practically take out my clothes first and then she. Anyways, wait, timer.
I want timer too?
So we're gonna do the Carlsberg Juice challenge. Them really cool. Them not cool to all that, but them cool. And you know when you drink cold bag juice, like race you drink whole heap of cold bag juice, you're gonna get bloated and stitches and one bag of something. So right now we have one dozen bag juice in here, so 6 each. And the hottest thing, we can't use one hand for drink it. So
what
anyway,
pancakes?
we're gonna have 10 minutes. You think 10 minutes too much?
So we're gonna take them home. We need more than 10 minutes.
Alright, so we have 2 chances for use our hand them, right? 2 chances. So we can use the first one anytime we want. We can use our hand, but otherwise from that we can use no hand. 5 minutes and ways. Put it like Bobby Apple. Anyways, I don't know what that name, but anyways, guys, it's gonna be a bomb. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give them subscribe down for me.
I'm not giving no subscribe down because I'm not going to take out the bag juice.
Anyway, so she gonna say the 10 minutes and then we're gonna get straight into it.
In 3, 2. Hold on, I'm messing the timer, so how that work?
Alright, so no.
Make sense.
The time start? What's up?
Oh no. Use my hand for this. Move on already. Move. This don't make no sense, brother. Why? Move. Hey, man, it's mine. Minutes up. But still I continue. One extra 10 minutes. Now extra 5 minutes. Why? No, not wrong. Hey, I treat me gun. I treat my gun.
eat pepper.
Yeah, you too. You take this with the style about eat pepper here.
I took time to use I can't no more.
Okay, you know.
I want to use my hand.
Okay, you know. Look fancy, you free.
I don't need to juice enough.
Do you think, yeah? You're so wrong.
Let me keep going now. Team Daniel! Right, you look the video, look.
Just now, look at the... Move from this way, I'm gonna sit fine.
I'm done.
Exactly.
I can't do this, right? They're my first hand.
No! It's second hand.
Aliana, this is not my first hand.
A second hand. Stop there. Get it.
Ali, this is not my first
A
hand.
second hand. Thieving girl.
I'm a first. We're gonna play my video.
See that? I'm good, you know.
Because that 3 times wicked people. I forgot wash that photo. I can't do this.
I'm good, you know.
Guys, she have 3 and I have 2 more left. 4. 2 more, yeah, I'm right. You're not gonna, come show them in here, sir.
Technically, it don't count because she don't drink all her bag juice.
Actually, guys,
It not count.
look there.
The
Y'all
girl
see,
don't
y'all see
drink-
juice on my face?
It don't count. She don't drink all her bag juice. She thief a share. And she evidence a drop. Show the evidence on the ground where I drop. Cause girl a thief. Thief!
Hey, put the camera here, sir.
Big old
See
thievery.
that? I can't.
Free.
Let me see your back
Free.
Hey girl, look here.
No, nobody with it.
I think I thievery. What juice it up on our face and everybody say, look here, this not
What you have
this
for?
is for some twerk man, some big man. We're girls and we cannot do this. This is too much. So she have 3 left. I mean, I have 2 left. What that mean? Team Dainelle all the way. Thanks for keeping it real, guys. Bye. Catch you later. This girl is a loser. Period.